Hey YouTube family, Eric here. In today's video, I'm going to give you a 24 to 72 hour TransUnion sweep. Something you can do right now, and it'll take about 24 to 72 hours for everything to be removed off your TransUnion account. So stick around and I'm going to drop all that information in this video. All right. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button and smash that bell so that you can get all my up-to-date videos on credit repair and mindset training. Holding this information for a minute now, and I've used it myself. I've also had a couple clients use it and a couple people that I know to use it. And when I say this tip right here has impacted and changed a lot of people's credit in a matter of 72 to 24 hours, it is completely crazy, right? The reason I'm sharing this tip is because there's a need in the marketplace for people to clean their credit. With the pandemic going on, everything that's happening in life, we all need to start getting our credit in order. And that's kind of how I started my journey. I was a person that credit score was terrible. I was down to the low 500s and I needed to get it repaired immediately. Right. And so I started the journey of learning credit repair. I started the journey of trying to clean it myself. I started seeing a lot of different things and ways to help people. So my passion, and one of the biggest thing is I love helping people and definitely changing their life, right? Because God said to love yourself as you love your neighbor. So to take care of my neighbors, I'm going to show you this tip today. So stick around to the end so that you can get this 24 to 72 hour TransUnion Sweep credit hack so that you can go ahead and start cleaning up your credit. Now, we all know that there are three different credit bureaus, right, that your credit report reports to, and that's Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, right? These three bureaus are the people that impact your life the most, right? You either gonna hate them or you're gonna love them, right? And most of the time, we hate them, right? And hate is such a strong word, so let me not use that. We dislike the heck out of them, right? When we're trying to get things clean off our credit, we tend to hear that, you can use a credit repair company, you can use credit lawyers, you can use different tactics. You can call them, you can email them, you can fax them. Well, I found something that was definitely impactful and definitely great. Once I tried it, it was something that impacted and changed my life tremendously, right? And like I said, I had a couple clients to use it, and one of my clients was able to get about 17 things deleted in a matter of 24 to 72 hours, right? It was crazy. I had another client, they also got some things removed immediately. Understanding that the importance of having your credit in order and intact is very key. Right now, one of the great things about the pandemic, the government has made it where interest rates and for mortgages and stuff like that has dropped tremendously. But there have been a lot of people that aren't able to take advantage of that because the credit score is messed up. So why not clean your credit? Like, people fear credit. I'm not sure why. Well, I take that back. I do know why, because they don't understand. They don't know the laws. They don't know the Fair Credit Reporting Act. They don't know the ins and outs to it. So people tend to just magically think that their credit is going to get cleaned up one day, that it's going to be fixed, and they're going to have an 800 credit score where they can buy their house. Well, usually around that time, it's too late, right? You're a person that you're tired of paying rent, you're tired of being in an apartment, you want to buy a house, right? You want to move to the next level of life. Well, having your credit in order is very key and very important. So I'm going to show you guys a hack that you can get things removed off your TransUnion report in 24 to 72 hours, right? So I'm going to pull it up on the screen. It'll either be here or here, somewhere on the screen. And all you have to do is follow these steps, right? Now, before I put this up on the screen, I need you to do one thing for me. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscription button and smash the bell to get all the up-to-date credit repair videos and credit hacks, right? So also down below, once you get your credit repaired, I also have information about getting business credit. I know that there are a lot of people in 2021 that are starting businesses, and you definitely need to know how to structure, how to set up your business, how to make sure that everything is aligned and in the correct order so that you can get your business started and also get funding for your business as well. So look below in the comments. There'll be a link in there for my business credit ebook, and you can go ahead and get started with that. So, Eric, what is the hack, right? Please give me this information. I know you've been waiting and you've been patiently staying on here. And I thank you for subscribing to the channel. And I thank you for staying on and watching. So let me go ahead and give you the credit hack that I learned. And I'm going to show you how to use the same thing to get things removed off your TransUnion account in 24 to 72 hours. All right. So I'm looking at my notes right here. So if I don't look at the camera, I'm kind of making sure that I stay on track. All right. So the first thing you want to do, I know everybody's heard of Credit Karma, right? You need to download the Credit Karma app, right? Once you sign up, go through the steps of signing up. You're going to make sure that you got all your information correct. And you're going to make sure that you have your login, get everything in order for that, right? So the second step, what you want to do is you want to go to the account tab, right? And you want to select the negative items, right? All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk into one of my clients' Credit Karma accounts, and I'm going to walk you right through how to do the 24 to 72 hour TransUnion credit sweep. So let's go to Credit Karma app. All right, guys. So we're back at the Credit Karma app, right? And so what you want to do, you want to click on TransUnion at the top, and you want to scroll down till you see negative derogatory remarks, right? Now I've already did this for the client, but I'm gonna just show you anyway. So you'll click on derogatory you click on derogatory remarks, right? And then what you're gonna see is you're gonna click on dispute, or you're gonna select the account and then you're gonna click on dispute, right? And so once you do that, you're going to then be sure to follow the steps, and you should see everything being removed off your TransUnion credit report in 24 to 72 hours. If you don't see that happen, just start all over, follow the steps again, and you'll see, and you should see everything being removed off in 24 to 72 hours. Sometimes there's a glitch in the system when it happens, but just try it again, and you'll see the results, right? Just want to thank you guys for jumping on. If you like this video, you can definitely like some of my other videos. It'll be probably either up here or up here. One was you'll see talk about credit repair, talk about how to push past to an 800 credit score, and also other helpful tips, right? And so thank you for joining. Go ahead and hit the subscription button, smash that bell so you can get all the up-to-date videos. And until next time, guys, be blessed, and thank you for joining.